Living in West Jordan comes with many perks: beautiful mountain views, friendly neighborhoods, and a vibrant community. However, like many growing cities, it can also bring its share of noise, whether from nearby traffic, construction, or lively outdoor activities. For homeowners looking to create a quieter indoor environment, Awning Windows offer a stylish and functional solution with impressive soundproofing benefits. Why Awning Windows excel at noise reduction? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design creates a tight, secure seal when closed, which is key to blocking unwanted noise. Unlike older single-pane windows, modern awning windows are often built with advanced glazing, insulated frames, and compression seals that minimize sound penetration. Many awning windows also come with double or triple pane glass options, sometimes paired with laminated glass for superior acoustic performance. This layered construction acts as a barrier to airborne sound waves, effectively reducing the volume of noise entering your home. Ideal for West Jordan's residential layout. In West Jordan, homes are often located near busy roads, schools, or community hubs. Awning windows are ideal in these settings because they can be strategically placed higher on walls, allowing for light and ventilation while avoiding direct exposure to ground-level noise sources. Additionally, their design allows them to remain partially open for airflow without letting in as much sound as sliding or single-hung windows might. This is particularly useful during warmer months when you want fresh air without the constant background noise. Energy efficiency and soundproofing go hand in hand. One of the often overlooked aspects of soundproof windows is that the same features that block noise also improve energy efficiency. The insulated glass units and weather stripping that keep sound out also prevent drafts, reducing heating and cooling costs. This dual benefit is perfect for West Jordan homeowners looking to lower utility bills while creating a peaceful home environment. Additional comfort benefits beyond blocking outside noise, awning windows contribute to a more comfortable home in other ways. Better sleep quality. Reducing outside disturbances can improve rest and relaxation. Enhanced privacy. Soundproofing works both ways, meaning your indoor conversations stay private. Improved concentration. A quieter home makes it easier to focus on work, study, or hobbies. Choosing the right awning windows for noise reduction. If your primary goal is soundproofing, it's important to select awning windows with the right specifications. Double or triple glazing. More layers mean better sound insulation. Laminated glass offers additional noise reduction and safety benefits. Quality frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad frames with proper seals help block sound. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform well if installed improperly. Professional installation for maximum results. To get the full soundproofing benefit, professional installation is essential. Local West Jordan window experts understand the specific noise challenges in your area and can recommend the best glass and frame combinations. They'll also ensure precise fitting, so there are no gaps for sound to sneak through. Conclusion. Awning windows are more than just an attractive design choice. They're a smart investment in your home's comfort. With the right materials and professional installation, they can significantly reduce noise, improve energy efficiency, and create a peaceful indoor retreat in even the busiest parts of West Jordan. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter home, exploring awning window options could be your next best step toward both comfort and style.